Unlock your Canon R10's full potential with EOS Utility. Let's get it connected. First, you need the EOS Utility software. Head over to the Canon USA website, navigate to the support section for your R10, and download the latest version of EOS Utility compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, follow the on-screen prompts to install the software. It's a straightforward process. Just click through the steps until completion. Now, for the physical connection, power on your Canon R10 camera using a USB-C cable. Connect the camera directly to a free USB port on your computer. Alternatively, for a wireless connection, enable Wi-Fi on your R10 and then use EOS Utility's pairing function to establish a connection between your camera and computer. With your camera powered on and connected, launch the EOS Utility application. The software should automatically detect your R10. If not, look for an option to select your camera from a list of detected devices and click Connect. And just like that, you're connected. You can now remotely control your R10 for live view shooting, transfer images directly to your computer, or even adjust your camera settings right from the desktop. Don't forget to keep both your EOS Utility software and camera firmware updated for optimal performance and access to the latest features. Enjoy your enhanced creative control.